honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, I just want to give you all an update on the white air fryer. Cosori air fryer? Okay, I took it to my daughter on her birthday. So I did my little review for Cosori since they gave it to me. And I got many more air fryers. So I gave her that one. And so she used it maybe 2 days later. I don't know if she air fried chicken or her husband. But anyway, I also sent her some longshore chicken breading. And she called me when they were getting ready to air fry and was asking me different questions about the air fryer because it was all new to her. So I explained to her exactly what to do. She said that was the best chicken she ever made. She said the kids don't want fried chicken any other way now. It was so good. So that made me happy. So I'm going to give her my replacement basket because she got a big family. She said she had to cook, I think, 4 or 5 batches of chicken. So this would help. I'm going to give her this replacement basket. So she'll have one air frying and this one ready to go in there time the first one comes out. And I'm going to give her a brush to clean it with. I gave her one of them little scrubby pads. That's what you get these from Dollar Tree. It's good for getting in the nooks and crannies, but just make sure you clean the brush out afterwards. Don't leave all that grease and stuff in there. And I'm going to give her a licking chicken crack. This is my very favorite chicken crack. The licking chicken. Good. This is my last one. This is my last one, Lynn. It's really, really, really good. So hopefully my daughter will start ordering from chickencrack.com. Plus they got new stuff out. I think it's called Chickalicious. Well, anyway, I just want to thank you for watching. I just want to give you the update on what's going on with the white Cosori air fryer. And thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and you all have a blessed rest of your Sunday. Okay, bye. Y'all know me. Hey, grandmama's baby. Hey, sweetie pie. Hey, how's that, sweetie? Oh my goodness, you're a cutie pie. Nico.
I thought she was watching a movie. Y'all
Hey, Nico.
watching a movie.
Right. You're a sweetie too. Okay. She looking at TV. What you know about Monsters Inc?
This the remote suppressor. This the remote we're looking for, right?
No, she was talking about the other one.
No, that's the one. Oh, I ain't seen that one.
Smile. So Walter's holding the baby. Okay, I'm gonna get you too. Okay.
So good.
No, I didn't mean that's a message. I didn't mean argue. That's my bad. Just when he wanted to watch a movie, and you wanted to watch a movie.
She ain't smiling.
I'll get you to smile.
And she was just laughing at me.
Get you to smile.
It's the other remote.
Okay, you can't lean on my knees because I won't be able to walk.
She's fragile.